everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I am going to do a layout of my birthday this year. My birthday's in January, so it's already past this year. And I've got photos. I'm going to organize the photos. So the photos on the left are kind of about my day, and the photos on the right are going to be about the night. I'm going to use two of the same pieces of paper, which is that yellow and pink paper from Crate Paper Hooray. It's the 12 by 12 pad, which was one of their birthday collections, which is a little bit older. And I'm going to rotate the papers on the right so that there's a stripe of pink going across the entire middle of the layout, so that you get some continuity. And then I'm going to add in the green paper there, which is from Bella Boulevard, Hearts and Ombre. It's the guacamole paper. And I'm being inspired here for these colors by both the tulips in the top on the left side and then that beautiful floral bouquet. That's where I'm getting the color from. So the story of the tulips is I went to get a pedicure and have some lunch, and my boyfriend asked me what time the pedicure was, and I was thinking it was because he was going to like surprise me there or something like that. Well, what he really did is he has a key to my apartment just in case I need him to do something for me, which he checked on my cat and things like that for me here and there, and a couple of other little things. Plus, then I have a key close to me if I need it because we don't live that far apart. But anyway, he, quote, broke in and brought me those tulips, left me a card and that candle just as a little birthday surprise. And then he bought dinner later, which was really sweet. In the meantime, I had a pedicure and then went to my favorite local coffee shop and had a breakfast burrito for lunch. But I lived in New Mexico at one point and loved breakfast burritos. So that was yummy. So like I said, I'm kind of arranging the photographs in like the order of kind of that order. I do have two 4x4 photos. That photo there is really small, and I don't know what I did when I took that or how I edited it, but I must have edited something out, and it's really narrow compared to the other ones, and I didn't want to make it longer so that it was 4 inches wide. I just left it as is. That's where I had my birthday dinner. I love that photo of the two of us together. I think it's really cute. So I have some atmosphere photos. I have my lobster mac and cheese, and then I had our desserts, which I had tiramisu, which is one of my favorite desserts. And then I don't exactly remember what he had. Anyway, so again, being inspired by color here, I'm using that card, that 4x6 card, and I've really just tucked it in a bit from Ellie's Studio, and it has like the peachy orangey color from the tulips in it, and then the pink from the flowers below, and then also the yellow and pinks from the background paper. So kind of being colors, those flowers are setting the color tone. I am using some very old stickers here from October Afternoon. They are the Cakewalk word stickers, and I added that phrase under the one that says the old believe everything, the middle age suspect everything, and the young know everything by Oscar Wilde. So I just wanted to get in use some of these up. They're definitely a much more muted, more cream colored background, but they look just fine on this, so I'm going to leave them. I'm adding in that little fox there with hauling the birthday cake, and again pulling back to the oranges in the tulips here. That's where that's coming from. I have this birthday cake sticker here, and that is from the Bella Boulevard Wish Big Boy sticky mix. I like that it says birthday cake because that is my birthday cake there, so thought I'd pop that in there. Now I need a title here, and I want to bring in that corally ready or color from the flowers and from the journaling cards. So I'm making that happen everywhere, and you'll see how I kind of bring that in other spots as well too. So these are the Ellie Studio Jane Tile alphabet stickers. They do release these on a fairly frequent basis, but they change colors every month. Don't always release them, so they're really limited. If you like them, you should see them when you see them, get them when you see them on the website, because they will go away. All right, so I decided to make the title a little bit longer because dinner wasn't going to be big enough, so I had my age in here. So I'm celebrating my last year in my 50s this year. Hard to believe. Not quite sure where the time has gone. I've talked about that. I don't feel my age. I don't look my age, but it is because people keep saying to me, if we talk about this, well, it's only how old you feel. I'm like, well, yes. However, I'm way closer to the end than I am the beginning. That's reality. So anyway, not to be morbid, but it's just kind of stunning. If you're there, you understand. If you're not, you'll understand eventually, right? Anyway, so I'm just going to write birthday dinner number 59 here, back to the layout, and these tile stickers. And that does a really nice job of bringing in that corally color here. I also have this happy sticker and decided to add that in right over the top to bring some of that green from the other side over here. And then I'm adding in that little diamond pattern sticker from the October Afternoon Cakewalk Word Stickers, which was a birthday collection for them. So I get that across both sides, and that brings some of that, more of that peachy orangey color over to the right side, because I have a lot of it on the left right now, but not so much on the right. I am playing with this candle. I like the idea of this candle. I'm not sure that is completely successful there, but it's stuck down, so it's staying there now. That is from the Pebbles Birthday Wishes accent stickers. That's where that one is coming from. All right. So now I'm trying to think about adding something with dimension and a different texture. And I was thinking about some LA Studio stars. I knew I had them in white, but the white was too white compared to the creamy color of some of the stickers. So I went to these color cast designs acrylic stars here, and they have that peachy pinky color to them, which makes me happy because then I can get that into the layout here. And I just realized one of my stars shifted and was sitting on one of the photos as I'm looking at my layout here. So I got that off there. Anyway, so I've chosen 3, one in each of the sort of cluster areas, or journaling cluster as well too there. All right, so coming up is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.